Namaste, wonderful viewer. Welcome back to Apna Ayurved, your trusted source for holistic well-being. Today, we are addressing a very important topic: diabetes myths versus facts. There is a lot of misinformation out there about diabetes, and it's crucial to separate the myths from the facts to manage this condition effectively. Let's dive in and bust some common myths together. Myth 1: Diabetes is caused by eating too much sugar. Fact: while consuming excessive sugar can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, it is not the sole cause. Diabetes is a complex condition influenced by genetics, lifestyle factors, and overall diet. It's important to focus on a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle to manage diabetes. Myth 2: People with diabetes cannot eat carbs. Fact: carbohydrates are an essential part of a healthy diet, even for people with diabetes. The key is choosing complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and monitoring portion sizes. Balancing carb intake with protein and healthy fats can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Myth 3: Type 2 diabetes is a mild form of diabetes. Fact: Type 2 diabetes is a serious condition that requires careful management to prevent complications. While it can be managed with lifestyle changes and medication, it is normal and can lead to severe health issues if not properly controlled. Regular checkups and consistent management are crucial. Myth 4: Insulin therapy means you failed to manage your diabetes. Fact: insulin therapy is not a sign of failure. Diabetes is a progressive disease, and sometimes the body's insulin production decreases over time. Using insulin is a common and effective way to manage blood sugar levels. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to find the best treatment plan for you. Myth 5: People with diabetes have to eat special diabetic foods. Fact: there is no need for special diabetic foods. People with diabetes can eat the same healthy diet recommended for everyone else. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary snacks. Myth 6: Fruit is bad for diabetes because it contains sugar. Fact: fruits contain natural sugars along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy choice in moderation. The fiber in fruit helps slow the absorption of sugar, which can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Opt for whole fruits rather than fruit juices or dried fruits for better blood sugar management. Myth 7: You can tell if your blood sugar is high or low based on how you feel. Fact: while some people may experience symptoms of high or low blood sugar, such as dizziness or fatigue, you cannot rely solely on how you feel to monitor your blood sugar levels. Regular testing is essential to accurately track and manage your blood sugar levels. Managing diabetes effectively starts with understanding the facts and dispelling the myths. By staying informed and making educated decisions, you can take control of your health and improve your quality of life. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Stay tuned for more Ayurvedic wisdom on Apna Ayurved. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay Ayurvedic.